Hi, Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today Friday, so I will go to Moscow for praying Salah. Jummah is a special congregational prayer on Friday. Today I will go to Moscow for praying Jummah Salat. Besides, Salat teaches punctuality and discipline, and also praying regularly brings peace to the heart, and Salat is the second pillar of Islam. Namaz is a direct connection between Muslim and Allah. So we should pray 5 times a day. As a Muslims, we pray 5 times a day. Thank you for watching video.